Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Pandora account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email or phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, you want to click your profile at the top right and then click Settings. And here under account info, you will see password. So next to account info, you want to click edit. And here you can type in your new password and click save. If you're logged out, you can try to access Pandora from another device or a browser that you already may be logged into. And if you're unable to log in, then you would need to reset your password. To reset your password, you want to head over to Pandora's login page. And you want to click here, Forgot Password. And then here you want to type in your email address and click Reset. And then you want to go check your inbox for a message from Pandora. So the email should look like this, and it should come from accountsecurity@pandora.com. And you can click here, Reset Password, or the link here if the button doesn't work. And here it will tell you to create your new password and click Reset Password. If you can't find your account information, then you will need to go to the next recovery step. If all of your login information was changed, you want to head over to Pandora's support site here, help.pandora.com. It's on your screen now, and it will also be in the description as well. And here it will show you a form to fill out. So under Topic, you want to select account and password. Under subtopic, you want to select unauthorized user. And under which device you're using, you want to select the device you're using. I'm just going to select all. And for description, you can use the format that's in the description and tweak it to your situation. And then you can click continue. And then here you want to click No Contact Support. And then here once again under your message, you want to use the same format as before. And then you just want to fill out the rest of this form and click Email Us. And make sure for your email you try to use the email that was previously linked to your account for the best case. Here are some tips on securing your Pandora account. Secure your email. Verify that the email on the account belongs to you. Use different and strong passwords across all sites. Go to settings and sign out of everywhere. And revoke any suspicious third-party apps or third-party logins. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, we do offer free account recovery help to assist you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we also provide multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. You can book an appointment using the link below or visit the website on your screen to recover and secure your account today. We will never ask for any personal account information or passwords. We just guide you through the recovery process. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.